Hello dear students, my name is Lucky Ahuja and I am your EVS teacher. So students, we started learning chapter 1 of EVS, which is named as Understanding Our Relations, and in the previous part, that was the first part of this chapter, we talked about nuclear and joint families, and today in part 2 we will be continuing that discussion and we will also learn about family tree. So let's start. So there is a family tree. You can see here, you have also learnt about family tree in your previous class, that was class 4. So here you can see that Sanjana prepared a family tree, and this family tree was prepared for both the sides, paternal and maternal side. So this is a family tree from which side? This is from paternal side. So here you can see the names are mentioned here. First name is Anadaram, and who is he? He was the great grandfather of Sanjana. Then the second name here is Motilal, and he was the grandfather of Sanjana. And then Jagdish, who is a father of Sanjana. And finally you can see here Sanjana, and she was the one who was making this family tree. So this family tree was prepared by Sanjana. So we can start from here. Sanjana is the girl about whom we are talking. Her father is named Jagdish Ji, and Jagdish Ji's father is named Motilal, and Motilal Ji's father is named Anadaram. So this is the family tree of Sanjana from her paternal side. Similarly, she also prepared the family tree from her maternal side. So here is the family tree of Sanjana from which side? From maternal side. See, first of all there is a name Dhapu Bai, who is the great grandmother of Sanjana. Then after her the name is Kamla, who is the grandmother of Sanjana. Then there is name of Ritu, who is the mother of Sanjana, and finally Sanjana herself is here. So we can start from here also. Sanjana, who is making this family tree, and her mother is named Ritu. Then her mother's mother is named Kamla, and her mother's mother's mother, she is named Dhapubai, who is the great grandmother of Sanjana. So this is the family tree from maternal side of Sanjana. So students, this is quite interesting as Sanjana came to know about her ancestors. Similarly, you can also make family trees. So there is a task for you. With the help of your family members, you also prepare your family tree for both maternal and paternal side. So you have to do this task, you have to show this thing to your parents and your teacher. So you have to take help of your family members like your father, your mother, and you have to prepare family trees from both the sides, from paternal side and from maternal side. So this is the task which you have to complete, dear students, and after completing you have to show those family trees to your parents and teacher. See, paternal side and maternal side both are having different family trees, as in paternal side of family tree we move from our father, his father, then his father onwards, while in maternal side of family tree we move from mother, her mother, then next mother of her mother. So this thing you have to do, dear students, and you will enjoy a lot while preparing these family trees. So like now move next. Salma returned home and she asked her father, why don't our grandfather, grandmother, uncle and aunt live with us? So finally when Salma came to know about this, that Sanjana is living in a joint family and she just liked this thing that there were many members in her family and there were people who were helping each other. They were there to take care of each other. So Salma returned home. After coming back from school, she asked her father that why don't our grandfather, grandmother, uncles, aunt, why they don't live with us? So she asked this question, and she also asked why did we shift in the city so far from our village. So Salma asked next question, that why we shifted in the city, why we are so far from our village. Can't we stay and work together with our family members in our village? So she also asked that why can't we stay there in the village with our other family members, and why can't we stay together with them? So these were the questions Salma asked her father. So see what did her father reply, what he said to Salma. तो बच्चों, अब जब सलमा अपने घर वापस आती है, जब उसकी संजना से बात हुई, उसे पता चला कि संजना जो है वो संयुक्त परिवार में रहती है, तब जब सलमा घर आती है तो वो अपने पापा से बोलती है, उनसे पूछती है कि पापा हम लोग क्यों नहीं रहते सब साथ में, मेरे दादाजी दादी जी, मेरी चाचा चाची, ताऊ ताई, ये सब के साथ हम क्यों नहीं रहते हैं, हम अपने गांव से इतना दूर शहर अलग से क्यों रहते हैं, क्यों हम वहाँ गांव में ही सबके साथ नहीं रह सकते हैं। तो ये सारे प्रश्न जब सलमा ने पूछे तो उसके पापा ने क्या बताया, अब देखते हैं। सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स मूव। सो हिज फादर told lot of things to Salma. He said, nowadays in search of occupation or higher education, families are migrating from village to cities. So he told Salma that this is quite common nowadays, that people in search of a good occupation or for higher studies are moving or migrating from village to cities. In cities, there are mostly small houses in which few family members can stay together. Therefore, the joint families are divided into nuclear families. So he also told Salma that in cities the houses are not actually large, there are small houses, and those small houses only few family members can stay, and the expenditure in the cities is also high, so all of them cannot stay together in a family or in a house. And similarly, due to various other reasons, the joint families are now dividing into nuclear families. Besides this, what he said, let's see. Some other reasons are also there for the division of joint families, like number of family members, habits, behavior of the family members, economic condition, capacity to spend, continuous changes in the ways of celebration of festivals, etc. So Salma's father said that there are many other reasons besides the migration of families for employment, for good occupation, for higher studies. There are several other reasons, like number of family members. When the number of family members increases from a limit, like there are 15 or 20 members and now they are not able to stay in a house together, there is lack of space in that house, then finally the joint family breaks into nuclear family. Besides this, the habits and behavior of family members also matters. So this is the case that when there is no match in the habits and behavior of family members, there is lot of contradiction in the habits and behavior of family members, then also people are not able to live in joint families families. Besides this, the economic condition of members, if some of the members are earning good, some of them are not earning well, in that case also joint families now break into nuclear families. Besides this, capacity to spend and continuous changes in the ways of celebration of festivals is also a reason of change from joint families to nuclear families. तो बच्चों, सलमा के पापा ने सलमा को बताया कि बहुत सारे ऐसे कारण हैं कि सभी परिवार संयुक्त परिवारों के रूप में नहीं रह पाते हैं। मुख्य कारण ये हैं कि कई परिवारों को किसी कारण से, जैसे बच्चों की ऊंची या उच्चतर अध्ययन के लिए, या हम कहें कि कई बार अच्छे नौकरी के लिए, अच्छे कार्य के लिए गांव से शहर आना पड़ता है। और उसके अलावा जब परिवार के सदस्य बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं और घर में जगह कम होने लगती है तो परिवार जो हैं वो एकल परिवार में बंटने लगते हैं। जब परिवार का रहन सहन, खान पान जो है वो अलग अलग सदस्य अलग अलग तरह का अपनाने लगते हैं, जो त्यौहार हैं वो अब अलग अलग तरीके से मनाए जाना पसंद करने लगते हैं, तो उस स्थिति में भी जो संयुक्त परिवार हैं वो धीरे धीरे एकल परिवारों में बंटने लगते हैं। सो Salma's father told him lot of things, that there are various reasons of breaking of joint families into nuclear families. So here in this part we talked about family tree, and we also have seen different reasons of formation of nuclear families and breaking of joint families. So this was all for today, dear students. We will be continuing this chapter in our next part also. So we will meet in the next part. Thank you for watching.